You might have seen a lot of videos on morning routines, and I have made some in my channel too. And you might have seen like a lot of videos telling you to do meditation, exercise, journaling, and all of that stuff. But you know what is the most important thing to do in the morning? Well, basically, it is something that you haven't been doing, I guess. I was reading in the book called as The Boron Letters by Gary Halbert. If you don't know who Gary Halbert is, he's one of the best copywriters ever born. Like, he has been into copywriting and he's kind of the legend of copywriting. His sales ads have sold around millions of, copies of the things he has written about. So he's a legend, and he wrote in his book the very first chapter. In his book, it is a series of letters that he has sent to his son by like teaching him about like the different stuff, like how to be healthy and how to make money and stuff. And in the very first chapter, he talks about health, and he tells the one thing that you should do every morning is called as road work. Road work is not something that you might be thinking of right now. I need to build roads, I need to take a bulldozer or anything. No. Road work is, doing the work on the road. Like in simple terms, doing work on the road. It means that either walking, jogging or running early in the morning. And that is the very first thing you should do. Wake up, brush your teeth, go and do your sit, and then go outside and do some road work. You can only walk he tells us to do, road work for about 1 hour. 30 minutes you go somewhere and then 30 minutes you come back. Like, this is the best thing you can do in the morning. And believe me, I have done that. Like, you might see really old people do that kind of shit. When you go out in the morning, you will only see old people jogging, running and talking with their friends and walking. You might think that is really, cringe, like going out in the morning to walk in the park and stuff. But that is not. Like, the old people have discovered, the best health secret. It will really improve your life, believe me. Like, sweating in the early morning reduces, chemicals called as serotonin, dopamine and stuff, which really enriches you and gives you motivation, gives you energy to go through the whole day. Like, think about it. The first thing in the morning, if your mood is really great, the whole day will go great. You won't have any kind of bad feelings. Like, what is the most thing that most people do? When they wake up, they're grumpy and tired and sad because they didn't get enough sleep. And that is not okay. Like, not getting enough sleep is not okay. And even if you get a lot of sleep, you will still wake up grumpy and, kind of frustrated. But if you go out and just do road work for 1 hour a day, your mood uplifts. Like, there are kind of hundreds of benefits to it. You still need to do meditation, you still need to do journaling, but the first thing that you should do is road work. Take out 1 hour, wake up 1 hour early if you need to. If you really need to wake up 1 hour early and do some form of road work, that will significantly improve your life. So that's about today's video, and if you like today's video, subscribe to us, because here we help young men become the best version of themselves. So see you in another video, and until then, have a great time.